सबसे पहले आप सभी को नमस्कार। हम
नमस्कार
जो
सर।
एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत जो प्रोग्राम है उसी के तहत हम इस वेबिनार का आयोजन कर रहे हैं। तो हमारा जो वेबिनार का जो मेन जो टॉपिक है इसका वो है हमारा कर्नाटक स्टेट्स। तो उसके बारे में हम कुछ फैक्ट्स जानने की कोशिश करेंगे या उसके बारे में जानने का हम प्रयास करेंगे। तो अब हम मतलब शुरुआत में एक-एक बच्चों से हम ट्राई करेंगे कि वो आप कोशिश करें कि आप में से कोई बोलना चाहे तो वो बोल सकता है कर्नाटक स्टेट के ऊपर। जो भी कुछ आप बात बताना चाहते हैं, फैक्ट्स बताना चाहते हैं, वहाँ के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहते हैं, वो आप बता सकते हैं। ठीक है? तो अदिति अब आपको कुछ फैक्ट्स बताएँगे कर्नाटक के बारे में, तो उसको आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा। अदिति, आप मेरी वॉइस सुन रही हैं? चलिए बताइए आप, बोलिए।
A very good afternoon to everyone. Today I am here with 16 amazing facts, astonishing facts, amazing and really astonishing facts about Karnataka. So let's start. The state of Karnataka leaves a beautiful mark on the map of India. On the one hand, the pleasing green forests surround the state, shapes and attractive hill stations to visit. Similarly, on the other hand, the historical artifacts and structures residing within many parts of the state gains the attention of curious minds and helps one to garner some exciting features about our country. The state of Karnataka is a perfect blend of globalization with the existing traditional virtues of our country. From the IT hub of Bangalore to the Mysore Palace of the Maharajas, Karnataka has many unexplored facts that will leave you astonished. First fact, Karnataka has 5 free-flowing rivers through a single district. The district of Vijaypura, also known as Bijapur, within the state of Karnataka, witnesses the flow of 5 rivers passing through it, including the tributaries of Krishna, Doni, Bhima, Ghatprabha, and Malprabha. The district is also known as 5 Rivers Land. The rebellious Ranis before Lakshmi Bai. Karnataka's history provides the country with the brave story of a queen who stood her ground and fought the British colonial power decades before the rise of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Chennamma, also known as Kittur Chennamma, was the queen of the formerly princely state Kittur. She led an armed rebellion against the East India Company and revolted the Kappadaks, the Oriental Research Institute of Mysore. Initially known as the Oriental Library, this institute exhibits a large number of manuscripts in various languages. However, the highlight of the library is the palm leaf manuscripts, which accounts to around 50,000. Fifth fact, formerly known as the Mysore state, the state of Karnataka has a long history showcasing its establishment, wherein it is revealed that the creation of the land was on the date of 1st November 1956 and was formerly known as Mysore state. It was only in 1973 that the name was revised and changed to Karnataka. The ruins of the Empire Vijayanagar. Hampi, the city of temples and ancient complexes, is a well-known UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town is a witness of the grandeur of the Vijayanagar Empire, which is said to have lasted longer than that of Mughal Empire. The long-lasting Avery of Mysore. The city of Mysore is a home to large number of productions, including silk, sandalwood, and spices, etc. However, the Karnaji Lake of Mysore is renowned for its walk through Avery, which is the largest Avery in India, surrounded by beautiful delights. This Avery is a popular tourist destination. The Rocky Rocks of Bengaluru. The magnificent botanical garden of Bengaluru displays unique rock formations, which date back to more than 3,000 million years. Smooth Ride. The home of Nanpith Awards. The state of Karnataka sustains its winning streak of the prestigious Jnanpith Literary Awards, with a maximum number of awardees nominated from the state. Karnataka has won a total of 8 Literary Awards. Karnataka Khari. Gram, Gramode, Gram, Gramodyog, Samuyuk Sangh. Hold your imagination. It is not a political party, but the only unit in India that has the allowance and authorization of manufacturing and supply of the Indian flag. It is situated in Bengari in Hubli and was set up in the year of 1957, surprising, right? Some spice semolina and voila, rava idli. Rava idli is a popular variant of the idli and which was accidentally produced during the time of World War II. Due to scarcity of rice, instead of rice, then semolina drum wheat, also called drum wheat, was used, and a delicious food item was created, which has been cherished through the decades. Karnataka hosted the first private radio setup. Karnataka was one of the first states to achieve a setup of a single commercial radio station in the year of 2001. Radio City 91.1 FM was first heard in the city of Bangalore. At present, the radio station has more than 50 channels flourishing at its best. The ultimate coffee state. Karnataka is the largest coffee exporter in the country. Which, with beautiful tea plantations, the state of Karnataka also has a large number of coffee consumers as well. Sleep, no, they prefer coffee. Gomateshwar statue. You might be wondering what it is so special about this statue. Well, for starters, the figure of 58 feet tall, and it is a monolith statue. Also, the is the world's biggest monolithic statue, situated at Belagola, a town 144 kilometers away from Bangalore. So yes, this statue is a big deal. A, ref- a refugee for tigers. The state of Karnataka is known for its preservation from the luscious greenery spread across the whole state to the coffee plantation. Karnataka has been a host to many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Due to the presence of the Western Ghats, it has been possible to retrieve the receding population of tigers. According to the survey, the wildlife sanctuaries and the parks have been restored with the appearance of these wildcats. The plunged jog falls. A plunge waterfall is the one that drops vertically without a connection with rocks on its way down. Exciting, right? The, the Gersopa Falls, also known as the Jog Falls, ranks on the second highest plunge waterfall in India. The state of Karnataka is mysterious in every aspect since its inception, sharing lots of traditions and surprising facts. Thank you so much.
ओके, थैंक यू अदिति, आपने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करा उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। इसके बाद में मैं इनवाइट करूंगा नीरज एंड शशांक, वो अपने जो फैक्ट हैं वो भी बताएंगे कर्नाटक के बारे में। नीरज।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
हाँ, आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए। गुड आफ्टरनून।
सर आवाज आ रही है ना?
हाँ, आपकी वॉइस क्लियर है।
So good afternoon everyone, myself Neeraj, and today I am going to share some fact about Karnataka. And first fact is, the modern state of Karnataka was created on 1 November 1956 with the passage of State Reorganization Act. Earlier, the state was known as the state of Mysore. It was renamed Karnataka in 1973. And the second fact, the Vijayanagar Empire was one of the most extravagant kingdom in the Indian history, where the hawkers would trade gold and precious gems on the street. And the ruins of the empire at Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and are used as the shooting location for even Hollywood films. And third fact, the Bangalore, officially known as Bangalore, is the capital of Indian state of Karnataka, and it has population over 10 million and making it a mega city and the third most populous city. And the fourth fact is the Queen of Princely State of Kittur was the first person to lead an armed rebellion against British government. And fifth fact, the Mysore Place was built in 1912 by Krishna Rajendra Vaidri Fort. And after the Taj Mahal, this is the most visited place in India. And if Taj Mahal is an epitome of love, then Mysore Place is an exemplification of Karnataka's culture and tradition. And last but not least fact about Karnataka is if you think the land of five rivers is only Punjab, then you certainly need to correct yourself. Located in the Karnataka state, Bijapur is also a land of five rivers, and major rivers which flow through this ancient town include Doni River, Bhima River, Krishna River, and Sina River. Another interesting fact about Bijapur, which enhanced the reputation of Karnataka, is the Bijapur is the home of Gol Jumbaj, which is the largest dome in the country and the second largest dome in the world. Thank you.
नीरज,
थैंक यू सो मच नीरज।
इनमें और कोई बोलना चाहता है तो बोल सकता है। एनीबडी एल्स, कोई और कोई बोलना चाहता है कर्नाटक स्टेट के बारे में तो बोल सकता है। कोई भी
आप में से कोई अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता है, कोई कर्नाटका विजिट करके आया है तो भी हमें बता सकते हैं।
हाँ, वो भी बता सकते हैं
सर, एक क्विज
हाँ,
करा
हाँ,
लेते
वही
हैं,
पूछ
अभी
रही है।
अभी क्विज करा लेते हैं।
जी मैम।
बच्चों, सर क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, अगर आपको आंसर आता है तो प्लीज पहले अपना नाम बताएंगे, अपनी क्लास बताएंगे, फिर आंसर देंगे।
तो बच्चों, मैं सबसे पहले आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, मैं आपको उसका आंसर देना है। Who was the first chief minister of Karnataka? कोई बताएगा? Who was the first chief minister of Karnataka? कर्नाटका के पहले मुख्यमंत्री कौन थे?
सर A.K. चंगारलेया रेड्डी।
A.K. चंगारलेया रेड्डी। आपका आंसर बिल्कुल सही है।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके।
अपना नाम बता दीजिए, किसने आंसर दिया है?
मैम संपत।
वेरी गुड संपत, वेल डन।
थैंक यू मैम।
वेरी गुड। में जो लोकसभा और जो विधानसभा है उसकी सीटें कितनी हैं?
28।
जो
22।
हाँ, चलिए फिर उसके बाद में एक क्वेश्चन और है। द प्लेस कुद्रेमुख इन कर्नाटका इज वेल नोन फॉर विच फॉलोइंग, और जो कल पूछा था आपकी
आयरन।
मतलब किसके जो आयरन, ये आपका बिल्कुल सही है, आयरन। विच इज द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट इन कर्नाटका? विच इज द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट इन कर्नाटका? कोई भी?
सर ऊटी। सर मुलियानागिरी।
ये सही है आपका, मुलियाना हिल्स। Recently, name of the cities in Karnataka changed new name of Belgaum city. इसका भी चेंज करा गया नाम।
बेलगावी।
बेलगावी है आपका, सही है। Which Karnataka city is pilgrimage destination in Jainism? कोई भी बता दीजिएगा।
कर्नाटका स्टेट में जैन धर्म के तीर्थ स्थल का नाम बताइए।
नाम बताइए कोई भी।
सर श्रवण
अभी तो बताया था अदिति ने, श्रवण बेलगोला, ये सही है आपका। ये अभी बताया था जो अदिति है, उन्होंने बताया था आपको। उसके बाद में मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन करता हूँ। विच रूलर इज क्रिएटेड फॉर द स्प्रेड ऑफ जैनिज्म इन कर्नाटका?
चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य।
ये सही है आपका,
एक्सीलेंट,
चंद्रगुप्त
वेरी
मौर्य।
वेल डन बच्चों, बहुत बढ़िया।
आगे है विच फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेशन आर फेमस इन मैसूर?
दशहरा।
दशहरा।
दशहरा, दशहरा ये एकदम सही है आपका। हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इन कर्नाटका?
30।
30। सही है आपका। ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज आपको पता है कर्नाटका की कन्नड़ है। हु इज द
Yes, sir.
नोन फॉर फादर ऑफ कर्नाटका म्यूजिक? बताइए।
पुरंदरदासा।
पुरंदरा दासा, ये आपका बिल्कुल सही है आपका। पुरंदर दास जो थे वो कर्नाटक जो म्यूजिक है उसके फादर्स ऑफ कर्नाटक म्यूजिक के वो हैं पुरंदर दास। इसके बाद में है आपका क्वेश्चन है द गोल गुम्बज लोकेटेड इन द सिटी?
बीजापुर।
बीजापुर।
Excellent, excellent.
बीजापुर सही है आपका। विच इज वन नोन एज ए सिल्क टाउन ऑफ कर्नाटका?
रामानागारा।
रामानागारा सही है बच्चों, थैंक यू, आपने बहुत अच्छा से आंसर दिया। विच एयरपोर्ट इन कर्नाटका?
केम्पोगोवाडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट।
ये सही है आपका, केम्पेगौड़ा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे, व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ कर्नाटका स्टेट ट्री?
सैंडलवुड। 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 सैंडलवुड।
एकदम सही है आपका। नेशनल पार्क इन कर्नाटका?
बिंदीपुर नेशनल पार्क। सर बिंदीपुर नेशनल पार्क।
बिंदीपुर नहीं है, अरे बिंदीपुर नहीं है, वो है बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क। हाँ जी मैम, आप पूछिए, आप एक नहीं दो तीन पूछिए, जो भी पूछना है आपको।
कर्नाटका में एक बहुत फेमस टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन का नाम बताइए। हिल स्टेशन है बेसिकली, इट्स वेरी फेमस। A lot of movies are also shot there. कोई नहीं? Okay, let me give you a hint. It starts with O.
मैम ओटी।
Ooty, that's great. कर्नाटका की ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज क्या है? किस किस को पता है?
मैम कन्नड़।
कर्नाटका स्टेट की कैपिटल क्या है?
बेंगलुरु।
कर्नाटका स्टेट में कोई ऐसी सिटी है जिसको आईटी सिटी कहते हैं? कौन सी सिटी है?
मैम
Bangalore. That's great. A lot of IT companies are settled up there. That's why we call it IT city.
चलिए बच्चों, आपने बहुत अच्छा मतलब क्विज का ये बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बताया, तो आप सभी का मतलब धन्यवाद एक बार फिर से। शिल्पा मैम कुछ बोलेंगी, आप ध्यान से सुनिए।
Thank you so
जी, ma'am.
much, sir. Thank you so much, all the students, for joining us. It was a very special, very interesting session. I loved how you all have tried to answer all of the questions that sir asked. I am very happy to see that all of you participated in the online quiz. Karnataka this year is our partner state, and Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat ke andar we are trying to learn the language. We are trying to learn the little words of Kannada language. So this webinar was in the same series. I am so glad to see that all of you have come prepared. All of you participated and made this such a successful event. I would especially like to extend a heartfelt thanks to Mr. Dinesh Verma. Thank you so much, sir, for organizing this webinar. I would also like to thank our dear students, especially Aditi, Monica, and Neeraj, who all participated, who brought facts, and who made this session even more interesting for us. Thank you so much. In the end, I would like to encourage all of you to go and find out more about this state. सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं हो कि ये इस साल आपको ये स्टेट दिया गया है इसीलिए आप इसके बारे में ढूंढ रहे हैं. try to inculcate this habit in you. Try to find out more about this state. Try to find out why this state is important in the map of India. Try to find out some interesting things so that when you go and visit this state, you would already know a lot of things about it, and you would want to find a lot of things about it too. So, with this, I would like to thank all of you for joining us. Thank you so much, Bacho. Have a good day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.